Hey guys, it's Elsie Version here, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a Jojo bow with this Jojo Bow Maker. So, it comes with 4 bows to make, 4 ribbons to make the knot in the bow, some string, glue and some clips, and of course the Jojo Bow Maker that you have to assemble. So first you have to get these little sticks out and the bottom of the bow maker, and then you have to get all the sticks and put them in places. But remember to leave 2 holes, this one here and this one here, because or otherwise it won't work. Make sure to get them all in properly. So, this is what it should look like in the end. So, remember to cut this string into 8 equal pieces and then get 2 of them to make the bow, and put it down this middle bit here. Next, you have to choose your colour of bow. Today, we have chosen the blue. So, firstly, start wrapping it round the number 6, and then around like this to this pipe here, this stick pipe. So first, take a clip from the box and then bring this piece around like this until this piece is almost in the middle. And so then you get these 2 pieces together like this, then get the clip and then attach them together like this. So you get the ribbon, bring it all like this around this one, then go through here, then tuck this in the underneath of this, like that. So pull it so it can get tighter, then put it inside rod tendon, up and around, then around these ones, then put it around on top like that. So get this white ribbon and put it around the front here so you can make it into a bow while it's secure. So we did a knot here, and I got my daddy to help because it needs 2 people. So next you just pull the bow off or just take the sticks off, but I'm just gonna take the bow off like this. So this is what it will look like at the minute, and then you'll probably put it in your hair like that, but it's not finished yet. Get an adult to help you tidy and tighten up this part of the string, and then get some of the ribbon and put it over the string, so like this. Okay, so you hold this part, then squeeze a little bit of glue on this part here. But you'll need to get the glue, of course. And then get this part, then push it around just like. Then let it set for half an hour. It's been half an hour now, so we have to check that it's dry. Yes, and then you cut off the excess ribbon and then get the little clip and push it through here. I think like that. I would guess like that. Like that. And then you get one of the little symbols, Jojo symbols, and then sew it on. But I'm not a very good sewer, so I'm going to get my dad to... This is a finished product, and this is what it looks like in my hair. Ooh, if I can get it in, of course. To the side, like that. I hope you've had fun making things with me today. Bye!